Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add location in Snapchat. And here's how it's done. Enable location permissions. Open your phone settings. Go to Apps, Snapchat. Tap Permissions, Location. Select Allow only while using the app or allow all the time. Open Snapchat. Take a photo or video as usual. Tap the sticker icon. It's on the right side of the screen after taking your snap. Select the location sticker. Scroll or search for location. Tap on it and choose from nearby places or search for a specific location. Place the location sticker. Drag it anywhere on your snap. Resize or rotate it if needed. Add to your story. Tap story to share the snap with your followers. Now your Snapchat story will include a location tag that viewers can see and tap. And that's everything to know about how to add location in Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.